Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday, April 3rd of 2025. Hey, I picked this up last night. Somebody asked if I was still in the CB radio, and I said yes. And they go, I got an old radio if you want to pick it up. So I went over, and no power cord and no microphone. I happen to have a microphone for it, and I think I have a power cord. But anyway, I took it because I never heard of a Uniden PC 244. Maybe somebody's got some information on it, or maybe somebody can give me some information on it. And no bracket. It's a Taiwan radio, but that'll be okay. Just want to see if I can get the power cord on it and see if it'll transmit or receive, or if it's just going to be a parts radio. Anyway, I hope I can get some information on it, and maybe somebody's got one out there and knows how to even operate the thing. But you got your PA-CB switch and your noise blinker, A&L, bright, dim, whatever. And your channel 9 on and off switch, and of course your AB upper lower switch, AB, AM. You got your CB and upper and lower switch, and a clarifier on and off, and mic gain, RF gain. Anyway, I'll see if I can get a power cord going on it and see if it even lights up. Anyway, maybe somebody knows what the heck it is. Again, I never heard of the Uniden PC 244. And guy said he'd had it a long time, hasn't talked on it for a long time. Anyway, have a good day, everybody. 133 California's back quiet.